Did you know that you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Today, I'm sharing 3 more easy skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Stick around because these skills are beginner-friendly, low effort, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. The first skill is transcription. If you can type quickly and accurately, you can make money by converting audio or video files into written text. Here's how you can make money with transcription. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Upwork. Specialize, focus on niche industries like medical, legal, or general transcription. Build long-term clients, work with businesses or content creators who need regular transcription services. The average transcriptionist earns between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn transcription, free resources, YouTube channels like Transcription Essentials or blogs like Transcription Certification Institute offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Udemy, Transcription for Beginners, or Skillshare, Transcription Mastery. Practice tools, use free tools like Express Scribe or oTranscribe to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Rev, great for beginners to find transcription gigs. TranscribeMe, perfect for offering quick transcription services. Upwork, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for transcriptionists. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is voiceover work. If you have a clear and engaging voice, you can make money by recording voiceovers for videos, commercials, or audiobooks. Here's how you can make money with voiceover work. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like voices.com, Fiverr, or Upwork. Specialize, focus on niche industries like e-learning, animation, or corporate training. Build a portfolio, create a demo reel to showcase your voiceover skills. The average voiceover artist earns between $50 to $300 per project, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn voiceover work. Free resources. YouTube channels like Booth Junkie or blogs like Voiceover Essentials offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, voiceover training for beginners, or Skillshare, voiceover mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Audacity or GarageBand to record and edit your voiceovers. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Voices.com, great for finding freelance voiceover gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable voiceover services. Upwork, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for voiceover artists. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is resume writing. With millions of people looking for jobs, there's a huge demand for professionals who can craft compelling resumes and cover letters. Here's how you can make money with resume writing. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn Pro Finder. Work with job seekers, help individuals tailor their resumes for specific industries or roles. Sell templates, create and sell pre-made resume templates on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. The average resume writer earns between $50 to $200 per resume, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn resume writing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Professor Heather Austin or blogs like The Muse offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, resume writing for beginners, or Skillshare, how to write a winning resume. Practice tools. Use tools like Canva for designing resumes or Grammarly for proofreading. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance resume writing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick resume services. LinkedIn Pro Finder, ideal for connecting with professionals looking for resume help. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 more easy skills that can help you make money online fast: transcription, voiceover work, and resume writing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these skills are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.